Ever found yourself scrolling through endless online courses, feeling overwhelmed by the price tags? You're not alone. The quest for knowledge and skill development in today's rapidly evolving world often comes with a significant financial barrier. And that brings us to the big question many of you are probably asking: is BluPeak the solution? Is this platform, promising a wealth of learning resources, actually free to use? Before we dive into the specifics of BluPeak's pricing, let's take a step back and understand why this question is so important. The rise of online learning platforms has democratized education in many ways, offering flexibility and accessibility that traditional institutions sometimes struggle to match. Whether you're looking to upskill for a career change, delve into a new hobby, or simply expand your understanding of the world, these platforms can be invaluable. However, the cost of these resources can quickly add up. Subscription fees, individual course purchases, and premium features can create a financial hurdle, especially for students, those facing economic hardship, or individuals just starting their learning journey. This is why the allure of a free platform, offering high-quality content without the financial commitment, is so strong. Now, you might be thinking, there are plenty of free learning resources out there. What makes BluPeak different? And that's a fair point. The internet is indeed awash with free content, from YouTube tutorials to blog posts and open educational resources. However, the challenge often lies in the quality, structure, and comprehensiveness of this free material. Sifting through countless videos to find a coherent learning path can be time-consuming and frustrating. This is where platforms like BluPeak aim to bridge the gap, offering curated and structured learning experiences, often with additional features like community forums, assessments, and even certifications. So, with this context in mind, let's finally address the burning question: is BluPeak free to use? The answer, like many things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. BluPeak operates on a freemium model. This means that a significant portion of its content and features are indeed available to users completely free of charge. This free tier often includes a wide range of introductory courses, foundational learning materials, and access to basic platform functionalities. Think of it as a gateway, allowing you to explore the platform, sample its offerings, and begin your learning journey without any upfront cost. This free access can be incredibly valuable. It allows you to explore different subjects, assess the platform's quality, start building foundational knowledge, engage with the community. However, the freemium model also implies the existence of premium, paid features in content. These typically unlock more advanced learning materials, specialized courses, in-depth training programs, access to expert instructors, personalized support, and often recognized certifications upon completion. So, while you can absolutely use BluPeak for free and gain significant value from its free offerings, accessing the full spectrum of its resources and the most comprehensive learning experiences usually requires a subscription or the purchase of individual premium courses or learning paths. Now, let's delve a little deeper into what you might typically find in BluPeak's free tier and what might be behind a paywall. Likely features of the BluPeak free tier. Introductory courses. These are often shorter courses designed to give you a taste of a particular subject or skill. They might cover the very basics and provide an overview of more advanced topics. For example, a free introductory course to web development might cover HTML and CSS fundamentals, while a paid course would delve into JavaScript frameworks and back-end development. Foundational learning materials. This could include articles, guides, downloadable resources, and short video lessons covering core concepts in various fields. Think of it as supplementary material to get you acquainted with the topic. Limited access to certain tools or features. The free tier might offer basic access to any interactive tools or features the platform provides, with more advanced functionalities reserved for paying users. Community forums with limited participation. You might be able to view discussions and ask basic questions, but more exclusive community features or direct interaction with instructors might be part of a premium subscription. Watermarked or basic certifications. If certifications are offered in the free tier, they might be basic certificates of completion without the same recognition or prestige as those offered through paid programs. Ad-supported experience. While not always the case, some freemium platforms might include advertisements for free users to offset the cost of providing free content. When evaluating whether the free tier of BluPeak is sufficient for your needs, consider your learning goals. Are you just looking to explore a new topic casually? The free tier might be perfect for that. Are you aiming to gain a specific skill for career advancement or a significant personal project? In that case, the paid options might offer the depth and resources you need to achieve your goals effectively. Furthermore, consider your learning style and preferences. Do you thrive on structured learning paths with assessments and feedback? These are often features of paid programs. Are you a self-directed learner who is comfortable piecing together information from various free resources? Then the free tier might be a great starting point. Don't underestimate the value of the free tier. It can be an excellent way to test the waters, see if online learning is a good fit for you. Build a foundation, acquire basic knowledge before committing to more in-depth study. Supplement other learning, use free resources to complement your studies in other areas. Remember that the world of online learning is vast and constantly evolving. Platforms like BluPeak are continuously updating their content and pricing structures. Therefore, it's always a good idea to check their official website for the most up-to-date information on their free and paid offerings. Look for a dedicated pricing page or frequently asked questions (FAQ) section that addresses these details. By understanding the freemium model and carefully evaluating your own learning needs, you can determine whether BluPeak's free tier is a valuable resource for you or if its paid options offer the best path to achieving your educational and professional goals. Don't be afraid to explore the free content and see what you can learn. It's a fantastic way to start your journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.